You want to know the number one rule to marketing your auto repair shop? I'm going to tell you that. It's something no one else will tell you. So buckle up. We're going to start right now. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome to Car Count Hackers. So when it comes time to marketing your auto repair shop, there's things that you probably researched and looked at. Maybe you've attended webinars. Maybe you've attended live events. Maybe you've even watched a whole bunch of other videos. So a lot of the gurus are going to tell you that it's a message to market match that's important. So what they're really telling you is that your message or your offer to the correct market or correct list is what's going to be successful for your marketing. Other gurus are going to tell you it's all about the media. And when I say media, it's how you deliver your message. Is it going to be by Google AdWords? Is it going to be by Facebook? Is it going to be by local newspaper advertising? A postcard campaign? Even some repair shop owners I talk to say they even want to try things like cash register tape advertising and pizza box ads. Really? Well, in essence, I agree with those three strategies. Yes, you have to have the message to market to media match. And by that I mean you've got to send the correct offer, and I'm going to link a video up here to how to create your own kick butt offers. You've got to send it to the right list, and you have to use the right media. As an example, if your customers aren't on Facebook, well, there's no use using Facebook ads. But here's something that no one else is going to tell you. Are you ready? Hey, if you're a repair shop owner and you want to fix your car count, grow your income and profits, go ahead and hit that subscriber button now, ring the bell icon right next to it, and that way every time I upload new videos, you'll be the first to know. Now back to our regular scheduled programming. The number one rule when it comes to marketing your repair shop is to be able to get their attention. That's it. You've got to start by getting their attention. Think about it, because everything else doesn't matter if I can't get your attention. So you could have the best kick butt offer, you could be the best repair shop, and nobody's going to call you, visit, or book an appointment if you can't get their attention to start. It's sort of like, when the tree falls in the forest and there's no one there to hear it. I know you can say that, yeah, well, at least I got firewood or enough wood to build a house, but that's not the focus of what you're trying to do. So no matter what type of campaign you're starting, you have to start with a way to get their attention. That's rule number one. If you really want to find out how to get people's attention, go ahead and check out the description below or head over to Fix Your Car Count. I host a webinar that's going to show you 6 ways to get more customers in 6 days or less. And you're not going to have to do it with discounts, coupons, or money-sucking advertising. Go ahead and check out Fix Your Car Count. Now the only other thing left to do is smash that subscribe button, ring the bell icon next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. And then head over and watch how to stand out in your market without wearing a chicken suit and the 7 ugly truths about your customer that nobody else is going to tell you. I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video.